rapper na icon ithanda Inkosi. She told me she to toss away thanda Inkosi. We stepping on necks inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna ifeature khandi izindosi. Your biggest favorite rapper na icon ithanda Inkosi. Okay utheba uyandazi cha asfollow ishamba where she see me in the club bitch. Landele emva kwami kuse ngcono uthole happily ngeke ndekwezam cause noba ngikere ikhathi ngcono wenza iplan. You know we niggas feel wealthy. Swipe itemise kwaqonda ufuna uzama uplan B case uzane girls call away find a shady teneza nginebest ajonga iphila ndenza isiyesi dola sana ibethi location ayitest njengocreed nayakathethi. The hottest eKapa thought it was an accident. Nyamalala 6 months now I'm back again. Been in 36 months now I'm gone again. She told me she did cross a wave thanda Inkosi. We stepping on necks inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna ifeature khandi izindosi. Your biggest favorite rapper na icon ithanda Inkosi. She told me she did cross a wave thanda Inkosi. We stepping on necks inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna ifeature khandi izindosi. Your biggest favorite rapper na icon ithanda Inkosi. Inkosi akagqoki still taking steps ungam 40 ops akaziboni grani copy. Little bit surprised uba was caught up all in notes but kanobuyela emva probably write these songs. Let's take it back to when ukidi yo wayibathwarekisi ngathi khetho dinga physio ndiyazibalekisi. You understand ba usistar boy and ikudala usiza 2020 was a breather. Londo wayibeliever yeah I told him by it goes away by sound American but ekuse uze nakhula bonwa nemerchant fuck ever since the cooler believer with tense but now to make them dance you gotta make a band. She told me she did cross a wave thanda Inkosi. We stepping on necks inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna ifeature khandi izindosi. Your biggest favorite rapper na icon ithanda Inkosi. She told me she did cross a wave thanda Inkosi. We stepping on necks inyawo zigcwele ikonsi. I know usifuna ifeature khandi izindosi. Your biggest favorite rapper na icon